The following is a presentation of Barry Vision Productions.
Today I'm in Ocherius and I'm looking for something different. And right here by Pineapple Place is Michelle's Pizzeria, the only pizzeria in Ocherius. Now you don't take the bypass road, you have to take the old road by Pineapple Place. Michelle's Pizzeria, we're going to look for some great pizza today on My Likkle Food Spot. We're here at Michelle's Pizzeria. Today we're going to make pizza. Hi Michelle, how are you?
Hi,
how you doing?
I'm
Good.
fine.
And this is your sister Andrea.
Andrea.
Okay, well we're ready to make some pizza. What kind of pizza we're making today?
All right, first, before we get to that, we have to fix you up for
Fix
the
me
kitchen.
up? What?
Right?
Get me dressed for the kitchen?
ready.
Okay. What do I need to do? Oh.
Lose the jewelry.
Lose jewelry?
And wash your hands, and that's it. You're ready.
You sure it's not a hole up this?
No, not yet.
Not
we wouldn't
yet.
do it here.
All right. We wouldn't do it here.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Security! And
You have to put on your
my fishnet.
Right, all over your ears.
Ears
fine.
too?
Yeah, you're good.
Oh man.
Now you're ready.
Okay. Now I'm ready to cook.
Now you're ready. So welcome to
Okay.
Michelle Pizzeria.
Good to be here. Have my hands washed also. Okay. Good. Okay, Michelle, what kind of pizza we're making today?
Today we're going to be making one of our specials, which is the Michelle Seafood Sensation.
Michelle's Seafood Sensation.
And that
Okay.
has conch,
Conch,
shrimp,
shrimp,
crab,
crab.
and little onions and peppers and
Oh,
tomatoes
that
and
sounds
all that little
delicious.
stuff that goes together to make it.
And some
perfect.
secret stuff that you just
secret
won't
stuff
mention. Okay, all right.
All right, so ready?
Well, let's go.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we put the salt. Pan
We're sauteing a couple of
Right.
things here.
Some oil in.
Little oil, right?
Garlic.
Garlic.
And I'm going to give you
You just kind of
spoon now.
saute the garlic. All right. Mm-hmm. Some onions. Okay. Tomatoes. Oh, lovely. Nice and colorful. Green peppers.
This now is the secret.
That's the secret.
Ingredient.
Okay.
I will tell you that there's a little tarragon in it.
All
A
right.
little celery seeds.
Okay.
That goes together to give it the unique taste.
Okay. So we're sauteing this lovely mixture here.
This
Colorful.
is totally secret.
Secret. That's the secret ingredient. We don't know what it is.
Right. Then we're going to be adding
This looks like some conch. Okay. Ooh. And just stir everything.
right.
Okay. This is good.
This is a shrimp.
And some shrimp. You make the shrimp cook a little bit, right?
Right.
Start to get pink, we know it's cooking.
Right.
All right.
And add the
And
crab.
then we, all this crab?
all that crab.
Oh, that looks yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. And this is colorful. It's a nice mix.
And
All that
finally,
seafood.
everything to come together. After that cooks down a little bit,
Right.
we add some pizza sauce.
Oh.
Give it that nice color and consistency.
And that's another secret ingredient, homemade from scratch, right? And you mix all this now?
Mix everything together.
Okay. All right. The tomato sauce, the basil, and all that secret ingredient starts to come up. Smells good.
good, right?
Smells good. Yes.
Wait until you taste it.
I can't wait. All right. So this cooks for a while, right, Michelle?
Yes, it cooks for a while.
Okay.
Probably about 5 minutes
5
until
minutes?
the shrimp gets pink.
Okay.
And the conch is a little bit tender.
Tender, right.
Because the crab meat is basically cooked already.
Okay.
So
While this is simmering on the fire, we are going to take a short break from Michelle's Pizzeria here in Ocho Rios on My Likkle Food Spot. This is Andrea mixing the mixture. It's yeast, sugar, and water, and that goes into the flour when we're doing the dough. Now the yeast feeds off the sugar, which causes the dough to rise when it's combined with the flour in the mixing bowl. This is the beginning of the dough mixture. Notice she's going around.
don't like to pour all at once.
Right, not pouring all at once, just moving around, going in and around. And that will gradually mix completely, a nice consistency. And that's the beginning here, the dough mixture right here at Michelle's Pizzeria in Ocho Rios. Now, Michelle, tell me a little bit about this dough, how long it goes for here. This is basically kneading, right?
Right, it's kneaded and basically it has to come together. Sometimes we have to add a little flour to it.
Right, to give it the
to really give it the
consistency
consistency
Okay.
that we want.
All right.
And then after that, after it's complete, we take it out and we let it rest for a while. So it poofs up.
How long though does this process take? So it goes for how
This
long?
process basically takes about 2 to 3 minutes.
2 to 3 minutes.
Oh, 2 to 3 minutes and it's complete.
And then you're complete.
Like
But
it's complete.
You're waiting for that special consistency.
We're waiting for this
that only
consistency.
you know when it reached that consistency, right? Okay.
So usually we would stop
look
it.
right now.
And we would feel
You
it.
have a look at test, you
right?
feel it. Okay.
And, basically it's done.
Okay. And what you feeling for there?
We're really feeling for the firm. If it's too firm, then we know it's going to be too elasticy.
Okay.
So we're basically feeling for it to be like a soft dough, but not soggy.
Not okay.
Right.
Great. Good. All right. So after that, now this rest for.
After a while, after this, now we just wind it down. Then we just let it rest for a while.
How long it rest?
We
for
rest about 5 minutes.
About 5 minutes.
About 5 minutes until
Okay.
it comes up, and then we put it on the table,
On the
and we
table, and then
knead it
that's
out
when you
and,
knead it
and portion it.
Okay. All right. Great. Okay, so this now is the dough that we're gonna knead
Right.
and roll out into a pizza.
Right.
Go ahead, show
So
me how we do
first
that.
we get the size. We have a scale here.
Right.
We measure out the size. We're gonna be doing a medium today.
So we're looking for
435 basically.
3-5.
Right. So we just put a little bit more on
A bit
this.
more on that.
All right, and then we just
Okay.
knead it into a ball.
At what stage we throw it up and spin it round and up?
Ah, okay. After we get it nice and flattened into a circle, then we'll just give it a
when we
couple
do
of spins.
The twirl and the fancy
Right,
stuff.
so we get the
Okay.
final
All
size
right.
on it. So now we have to move over to this machine, which
This is your
produces.
kneaded machine.
Right.
Just, okay. You
We need flour so that it doesn't stick on the rolls. Right. We just get the machine on. Oh, this is a dangerous machine.
I'm far away.
So you just watch us right here. Takes a few minutes. We just keep adjusting the right,
roll-out blades.
Right, until we get to the required size. And I mean, we've been doing it so long that we just know when it gets to when it gets to the size.
Okay, pro at work. Do not try this at home. This is a pro at work. Okay.
You have to be very
skillful and
machine. After this, now you will get your chance to put it up in the air.
I will do the acrobatic part.
Right. All right. Basically, it's finished.
This is
so to get the required size now, you just throw it up. And then it will just stretch out to be, what it is.
All right.
So we'll have to take it over now to the station.
Let's take this over.
Where we'll prepare it. We add a little cornmeal to the pan. Why cornmeal? So that it slides off the oven.
Oh, okay.
It's baked directly on the oven surface.
On the surface.
Right.
So this prevents it from sticking.
So this prevents it from sticking.
This now we just skills.
Okay, you're getting there. With a few more turns, you'll have it down.
I will have it.
Right.
You know what?
So you can just put it on.
Let's put this on.
And just arrange it so it gets into a nice circle.
Okay.
Right.
This is good.
And there comes your part now. This is what we use to get out all the air pockets, so that when it gets into the oven, it doesn't
bubble up.
Bubbled, right? So just roll it away. Don't worry about it. Kill it.
Kill it.
Just kill it.
Last girl said that to me. You know what happened?
I don't think the pizza will mind.
No.
Right.
Okay.
Good. Right, and we just have to
reshape it.
Just reshape it.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Looks good.
Now comes this time for the pizza sauce. We use a brush so we get it evenly spread.
And again, this sauce is some of your secret ingredients.
This is my sauce.
Right,
we basically put it together. So you just have to go around and
gently massage it around. Or do like I'm painting.
You're doing a good job. You're doing right.
There you go.
As long as you get the sauce on it, nice amount of sauce, then we're good.
Okay, we're good.
That's right.
Looking good?
That's looking good.
Wonderful.
Right, now we add the cheese. The cheese is a mixture. It's not just plain mozzarella. It's a mixture of mozzarella and cheddar.
Mozzarella and cheddar.
Right.
Okay. And again,
and just go around and spread it on the surface.
Spread some love.
You're doing good, man.
Cheese. Okay.
You'll have to come and give us some services on the weekend.
I will work for food, so you don't have to worry about that.
Okay, right. So just get it.
Spread it out a little
evenly.
Okay.
Right, good.
This is wonderful.
And the seafood.
Great.
Now I'm sure the topping is ready now. The seafood is.
All the seafood stuff that we have prepared.
It's all ready.
Okay.
Right, but first we're gonna add a little extras.
Some extras.
We're gonna add some onions. Just sprinkle all over the surface. Right. Right, that's good. We're gonna put some tomatoes on it.
Tomatoes.
Just
spread it out, right. There we go.
A little sweet pepper.
Some sweet peppers. Okay.
Then we're gonna add the seafood topping.
That seafood topping comes
this
from
is
all
the
the stuff
finished
that
product
together.
of what we did.
Okay,
so you can just use the fork
and then
add it on.
Spread that around, evenly distributing
right?
over
Because
the
we don't want
pizza.
some people to get and some people don't get, you know.
Right.
Be a problem.
Let's slice
That's
it
good.
up.
Right.
Good.
Then we're just gonna add a little extra cheese
Some
on top.
extra cheese.
Right.
Now, how you got into making pizzas? You got into the pizzeria business.
Well, actually, the location was here, and it was closed for about 2 years.
Okay.
And my dad, who is part owner of the Almond Tree restaurant,
That's
said,
a landmark establishment
Yes.
here in Ocho Rios. I've had some good nights at the Almond Tree.
Okay,
But no, I
good.
don't want to tell you.
we're adding some mushrooms
Okay,
to it.
good.
And he said, you know, why don't you try? I didn't know anything about pizza.
Right.
I did do some cooking while I was in school, while I was training. And I said, you know what, okay, fine. So I actually went on the internet, did my research, and we came
then-
in and we just started.
You started.
That-
Well, you
that's
mentioned going to school, training. Where did you go to school?
I went to Bahamas Hotel Training College and then went further on to Johnson & Wales University
Okay.
in Providence, Rhode Island.
All right, wonderful.
So I got some
So you
hotel,
have some
restaurant background
well
training.
formal training. Okay.
All right,
So
this now. So this is the reason now why the cornmeal. All right.
See,
So-
slides.
We have to make sure it spins and put back all the topping on it. We don't want to waste the topping.
Oh,
Right. Sometimes it doesn't come off readily, so we have
So
to
we
add
have
a
to
little.
ensure
we have
that
to add a little bit more cornmeal to it,
just to make sure.
just to make sure that it goes off in the oven.
Okay.
Right. We also do a soft crust, because this comes out a little
That's
bit
gonna be a hard
crunchy.
crust, right?
So we do have a soft crust which we do bake directly on the pan.
Oh, okay.
So we don't throw it off on the floor of the oven.
Okay.
All right, ready?
So this is ready for the oven.
And this, now we just throw it off like this.
There you go. Okay. While the pizza is in the oven, we are gonna take a short break here on My Likkle Food Spot. We are at Michelle's Pizzeria in Ocho Rios, and we are going to be now taking the pizza out of the oven. This is a pizza peel. In Jamaica, this looks like a big shovel, you know what I mean? But this is what we use to take the pizza out. Michelle, we're looking ready, we're good?
Yes, you're good.
All right, now what's the technique?
Just put it on it and put it right here, if you can.
Maneuver.
Right.
Oh, this oven is hot.
Did you get burned?
No.
Sure, no.
Sure, but tell me, how hot does this oven get for the pizza to be
It's
baked?
500 degrees
Whoa.
that we have to keep it at to get that.
To get that.
And it bakes within 10 to 12 minutes.
So could I try that at home with my little oven in the...
You can bake your pizza at home, but you would have to bake it on a pan.
On a pan.
On a pan.
Okay.
Because it doesn't
Because
have
it
the
wouldn't be-
surface.
it wouldn't be on the
right. And you would
surface.
still do it at the 500.
At the 500.
Right, 500
Okay.
degrees.
Good to know.
Okay, so
Great.
ready to cut now? All right, Andrea is going to show you how to cut the pizza.
This is a medium pizza, so it's cut in 10 slices.
Okay.
So you're gonna
You go...
straight across, and then you go.
All right. No, you do that. We'll slide them on the pan. Okay. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And this is Michelle's Seafood Sensation, ready to be devoured by me on My Likkle Food Spot. comes my lovely pizza, Michelle's Seafood
Sensation.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do enjoy.
Sure. Michelle, what else do you prepare here at Michelle's Pizzeria?
Okay, a lot of stuff. We do a lot of sub sandwiches, chicken, jerk pork, smoked ham. If you want just plain cheese, you can get it. We do the best burgers in town.
Okay.
You have to try
I have to
it.
try that. All right. Well,
Yes.
that's another episode. Jerk chicken pizza. Do you have something like that?
Yes, we do.
You do. Okay.
We even have a ackee and saltfish pizza.
Oh, lovely.
And that one is very good.
All right.
We also do a tuna pizza for those people who don't eat
So do you specialize only in pizza, or you offer other things?
No, we have good buffalo wings. We have honey barbecue wings.
Okay.
We do fish fingers, mozzarella sticks. It's a
Just pretty
good
much a mix,
variety.
a mix.
Recently,
Okay.
we have tried to do some fried chicken and our Jamaican people love fried chicken and fries. So.
And you have another outlet downtown?
Yes, by the Island Plaza, which is where Burger King is.
Right.
I have a little outlet that does
That's
by
it.
the slices.
Pizzas by
So
the
we do
slice.
pizzas and hot dogs and potato pudding and
Okay.
that sort of stuff.
Well, speaking of slices, you see this slice? My name is written all over it. You know?
Okay,
But
so
I'm going to
let
give
me
this a
watch
try.
while
the dough
you
that we
take a
made
bite.
and the seasoning and the topping.
The pizza that you helped to make.
Everything here is lovely.
Good,
Nice, juicy. The cheese just melts and the flavor comes out.
good. I'm glad you like it.
Good pizza.
Okay.
Michelle's Seafood Sensation. Michelle's Pizzeria. Don't come to Ocherias and don't taste it.
That's right. Cheers, and thanks for coming to My Likkle Food Spot.
I'm Eddy Edwards. Join me again next week when I take you on another gastronomical journey on My Likkle Food Spot.
Next week on My Likkle Food Spot.
From the ocean straight into the kitchen, skillet right here on the nice wood fire. And we have two fresh lobster right here, so, and we're going to just dunk them in the
One
boiling
for you,
water.
one for me.
Keep it nice and juicy and retain the conch flavor.
Real Jamaican conch flavor.
You just add a little bit of
A
everything.
little of everything.
Okay. Yeah, this is the real deal, hot thing. All the stuff you prepare down here.
All right. On Sunday morning, we do like Belgian fries.
Ooh.